development of surfaces. This question, the pentagonal prism of base side 80 mm and axis length 140 mm resting on HP on its base with one of the vertical face being perpendicular to VP. A circular hole of diameter 70 mm is drilled completely through the hole is perpendicular to vertical plane and bisect the axis of the prism. Draw the development of the lateral surface of the prism showing the shape of the hole formed on it. This question, how do I solve in the AutoCAD? I explain now. Ensure that it is in the drafting and annotation mode. Next, you take line command, draw the reference line, some random length. Then you draw the pentagonal prism. So in the command bar you have to type polygon, number of side, it is pentagon, so 5, enter. Next, select the edge option and keep the cursor here below the reference line, somewhere click and ensure that it is ortho mode on. That is very important. And this one of the edge length is perpendicular to VP, so you keep like this, and edge length is as per question base side 80 mm, 80, enter. Okay, draw the pentagon like this first. I move the pentagon near the reference line. Okay, now all the corner you should name. Go to annotate, select single line text and letter height I give 8, enter. Angle of rotation 0, enter, and give your name. A, it is B, it is C, it is D and E. Labeling is very important, then only you will understand the problem. Okay. Give the naming like this. Next, from the A and E, this corner project up to the reference line, and C is project up to the reference line, and B and D, this both corners project up to the reference line. Okay, next, this center of the pentagon keep like this up to the reference. Next, as per question, the height of the prism, one side 80 mm and axis length 140 mm. So take line from the center point 140 mm, draw one vertical line. Here also 140 mm. Enter. (140), enter, and join all. Okay. And one more line, B and D. This length also 140. Okay. This is center line. Center line. Next, one of the vertical base perpendicular VP, a circular hole of diameter 70 mm drilled completely through the hole is perpendicular to VP and bisect the axis. Bisect the axis means it is center of the rectangle correctly here. Okay, so take circular, select directly. I take diameter of circle, it is the center point, and diameter of hole is 70 mm. 70 enter. Okay, draw like this. This is center line. I delete now. Okay, okay. Now go to annotate. Select single line text. Okay, A and B. Here also you give the naming. Letter height 8, enter, and 0, enter. A dash within bracket E dash. Next here B dash within bracket D dash. Next here C dash. Okay. It is the XY reference line, X and Y. Okay. Next this circle also you have to divide 8 parts. So go to divide command. In the command bar I type divide, select the circle, 8 segment I divided, so 8, enter. Okay. Next go to annotate. Here also give naming. I reduce letter size. Okay, give 5, enter, and angle of rotation 0, enter. This 1 dash, it is 2 dash, this 3 dash, 4 dash, 5 dash, 6 dash, 7 dash, and 8 dash. Okay, I give the name 8 segment. I give the name. Okay. Next, one edge length is A to E. This one edge length is as per question 80 mm, and height of the prism 140 mm. Okay. Now we got to develop this. Okay. So 5 times of this edge length you have to develop. So take line command. I short this length. Okay. Take line from here to 5 times, so 400 mm, and it is same height 140, enter, again 400, enter, and keep like this. Okay. So this rectangle is 140 mm, length is 400, and the same height 140 mm. Okay. This also you have to divide with 5 divisions. So it is 5 corners is no. So divide this 5. Go to divide. Select the line. 5. Enter. 5 segment you have to divide. You have the 5 faces. In the prism 5 faces. Okay. Enter. Again enter. You need the previous command, just enter only in the keyboard. Okay. I divide the 5 divisions. Here also give the naming. Go to single line text from here to Letter height is I give 12, enter, and angle of rotation 0, enter. I do the again, single line text, somewhere I click letter height 12, enter, angle of rotation 0, enter. It is caps A. Next one is B, C, D, E, again next end, so it is A. Okay. Now I do the develop first in the circle the one dash, this point project up to keep down, this point project up to the prism is, this is through hole, so this is throughout like this. Okay, we find the first point, the one dash you have project up to here. Okay, now from B to this distance you have to measure this, go to aligned dimension, it is inclination, so select aligned dimension. From B to this distance 58.91, this point from B to 58.91, it is B, so go to offset command 58.91, 58.91, enter, this line offset this side, so one dash here projected, so I find this first point, so mark the point here. Okay, okay. Next 8 dash and 2 dash, this point you have to project from the circle downwards. Okay. This also you got measure, take reference from the B corner. Okay, go to aligned length, from B to this distance you got to mark 48.13, go to offset command, offset distance 48.13, enter, this B line this side offset which point 8 dash and 2 dash, so 8 dash project the line, and from 2 dash project the line. We got this intersection point here, so here put point, enter, point. I got 3 points, 1 dash, 2 dash and 8 dash. Next 7 dash and 3 dash. From the 7 dash to your project, I delete this. Okay. From B to 7 dash and 8 dash, how much distance I got measured? Go to align dimension, from B to this distance 11 mm or 22.11 mm. Go to offset command, offset distance 22.11, 22.11, enter, select the B line, this direction, enter. Which one? 7 dash and 3 dash. So from 7 dash to extend this line, and 3 dash to extend this line. We got that top and bottom point. Put point. Enter here. Okay. Next, same like this, 6 dash and 4 dash. Next point. From 6 dash 4 dash, I draw one line. I delete this one. Okay. From B to this side, right side, how much? Aligned then. Go to aligned dimension from B corner to this side, 6.33. Take line from B to this side, 6.33. Enter. I draw one line. This is 6 dash and 4 dash. So this line I extend it. Okay. 4 dash. This line I extend it. We got 6 dash and 4 dash points. So mark point. Enter. Okay. Next, finally 5 dash. This point we need from 5 dash to downwards. Draw one line. This is I delete. Go to aligned dimension from B corner B to this distance 23.77 left right side. Okay, B to right side, take line 23.77 from here to 23.77. Enter. Draw one random length. Okay, this 5 dash. So this coming here, mark the point. Okay. Now I delete all the lines. Okay. Here you have to draw the curve. Go to spline curve, draw toolbar. The first one is spline curve. Starting point here. Join with all the point the spline curve. Connected all the points with the spline curve. And somewhere length and put enter. Trim the unwanted lines. It is not connected. Okay. Okay. This curve only I change line weight thickness 0.3 mm and go to line weight setting. Display the line weight. Give OK. Okay. This is after develop the prism. The circular hole look like this in the ellipse shape. Okay. This is you have to mirror this side about C. Go to mirror command. Select the object. Enter. And give no. It is your final solution. Here also you give annotation and dimensioning properly. Okay. This pentagonal prism, after you have to develop this circular hole look like this. This both side. This is front side, it is the other side. Okay. The inside line you have to trim. Go to trim. Okay. Okay. Thank you.